IT has acronyms and data that is in a way not understandable for the business. And when you are new to all these tables, you need to know what you have there. And first of all, I call it like translating the IT terms into business terms. So discovering, translating, that's data cataloging. Now, once you create your catalog, you have features that allows you to create all the relationships with different tables that are related to each other, or systems that are related to each other. So that relationship kind of discovery is very important. And then, of course, comes all the search capabilities, because you catalog, you relate, and then you can search what you need and what you want to use. So that's really enabling the self-serving.